I am excited to share with you a very basic Turkish meal today. It is called Ayran Aşı, or we've always called it Katma growing up, but I guess maybe we didn't have the name right or something. So when I did a bit of research, it's apparently called Ayran Aşı. What is Ayran? Ayran is a yogurt water salt drink that we drink in Turkey with all of our meals. And in Indian cuisine, it's called a lassi, as you will well know. Mango lassi, salt lassi, plain lassi. This is our version of Ayran Aşı. So this is a cold soup. It's 3 ingredients. We've got bulgur, we got water, yogurt. Sorry, there's also salt. 4 ingredients. We got a pot of boiling water. We're going to strain this in the end, so you don't need to worry about the excess starch or anything like that. So once it's cooked, we are going to take it over to the sink, drain it, let it cool down, and we have our cold soup ready once we mix our yogurt, salt, and water. Grab maybe 2 pinchfuls, like that, and let it boil away. This will probably take about 10 to 15 minutes until it's nice and soft. I'm going to lower the heat so it's just at a simmer. It doesn't need to be boiling very aggressively. Yeah, basically almost there. I'm just going to grab a bit on my spatula. That is cooked all the way through. Turn the heat off. We're going to take this over to our sink. We're going to drain it with this, run a bit of cold water on top, and let it sit there until it cools down a little bit. Our bulgur has cooled to the point where I could comfortably touch it with my hand and find that it's not hot. That took me way too long to explain, didn't it? I'm going to go in with some yogurt. Mix it up first because you don't want clumps of yogurt in the final product. So give it a nice mix. What a simple dish. Literally it. This I grew up on. On a hot summer's day, you have this ice cold out of the fridge. I'm telling you, there's something just basic and just hunter-gatherer about this meal. I don't know what it is, but it tastes so good. Maybe just a touch of more water and some ice cubes to get it cold really quickly. Ice cubes in. More water. Salt is a key player here. Make sure this is salty. You might try this and just be like, what is this? But I mean, I guess makes more sense to us because we just grew up with it. And when you grow up with something, it's nostalgic. It's, feels like home, feels warm, feels like love. You know what I mean? It's what it is. It is what it is. Some salt. This should be ice cold right now. Let's have our first bite. Oh yeah, that hits home. When it's colder, it's even better. So I'd even recommend to put it in the fridge for 24 hours. It will absorb more of the water. So you may have to put just a little bit more water when you're having it. Adjust the salt as needed. That's it. What a simple, high fiber meal. It's pretty healthy as well. Think about the yogurt, probiotics. Oh, so good. I could eat this whole pot in one sitting, but then I'd feel really bloated because of the yogurt. But it's all worth it. Hope you guys enjoyed this simple recipe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Yada yada baba.